Hey everyone, my new book is coming out, and in exchange for pre-ordering the book, Mindvalley has put together the most ridiculous bonus. Now I know what you're thinking. Everyone today gives a free course when you buy a book. So what, Vishen? Who gives a fuck? Well, not when you see what we're about to do. So this is the book. Lots of great things about this book. This book, the 6-phase meditation method, will utterly transform your life. Millions of people do this practice, and they say it brings magic into their world. But enough about the book. Today we're not going to order the book. Cut. We are going to order the book. What we're going to talk about today is what you're going to get when you actually order the book. The secret, special, mind-blowing bonus. As you know, Mindvalley is growing like crazy, and there's so much incredible new technologies for transcending human consciousness that we are bringing into Mindvalley. You're going to get our newest technology, which is the world's most powerful meditation app, completely free when you order the book. A 1-year subscription on the soon-to-be-released Mindvalley Meditations. But I want to show you what exactly this app is about. Firstly, you know Mindvalley has the coolest, the best teachers out there. On this app, you're not just going to get vanilla meditations. You're going to learn from the greatest minds in personal growth. And that is just the first thing. You see, this app has a secret mystery feature. And that mystery feature is sound technology by Mindvalley. Sound technology that puts you in altered states. Let's say you need to sleep. Simply open up the app, click on the sleep category, and watch what happens. Play any sleep sound on Mindvalley, and be careful, because within moments you will fall into the deep succulent slumber of sleep. Cameraman, yo, wake up. Or you need extra focus for work. Well, listen, you no longer need caffeine. All of you who are addicted to caffeine like I am, you can now get focus and intensity without the sweet, amazing smell of caffeine. So you have these amazing authors, you have these amazing sounds. This is where the magic happens. You get to play DJ. Everybody loves a good DJ. But here, you are your own spiritual, mystical DJ, combining the voices of your favorite authors with sounds to put you in altered states. You could take the 6-phase meditation and overlay it with one of over 100 different sounds, from binaural beats to the sound of fire, to the sound of laughing goats, whatever tickles your fancy. Our meditations are so powerful that it's like having your own hippie musician living at home with you, serenading you every single hour of every day with the sweet sounds of the jungle. Toss away all of your mystical musical instruments, because it's now available for you in Mindvalley's meditation app. But it gets even better. Our app is designed to allow you to choose the state you want to show up to in the world. Maybe go into a confidence category so you can start your day in absolute radiant confidence. Or go into focus mode so that you can stay focused at work. Or even explore a sexy beast category if you want to get some action tonight. Here's an actual scientific demo. This is Miguel from Mexico, before listening to Sexy Beast. This is Miguel from Mexico, after listening to Sexy Beast. Hey. Now I wish I could say that's all, but we're Mindvalley and we don't stop. So I also created a new section of this app called Collections, and I reached out to my favorite meditation schools and meditation teachers around the world, so you can dive into these beautiful collections from established organizations such as the Monroe Institute, from incredible minds in hypnotherapy such as Paul McKenna, from teachers who teach beautiful things like intuition like Sonia Choquette, and dive deep into mastery. These collections alone are each worth close to $100, but all of it is included in this 500 meditation bundle of awesomeness. This is basically going to allow you to become the greatest version of yourself in just a few minutes every single day. Now, the only problem here is that there are so many meditations on this app, you might feel overwhelmed, which is why for the past 2 years, we've been building Mindvalley's AI that will help suggest the right meditations for you. The more you use the app, the more the app can choose the best meditation for you every morning. Each morning, you get 4 choices. Our AI is getting so advanced, it even wrote its own slogan.
Mindvalley AI, because humans are stupid.
And all of this you get free when you order a book. Just go get this book from any bookstore, fill out the form below, visit mindvalley.com/books/ sixth phase. Put in your receipt number and you will automatically get free access to this app. But you have to pre-order the book before August 11, and Mind Valley's Meditations app is going to be delivered to you completely free. This is Vishen Lakhiani. I can't wait to absolutely blow your mind.